Hello from Hyderabad. So this year on the New Year time, I went to Udaipur and like while roaming around City Palace, I found a guy who asked me to click his picture, and randomly we exchanged our Instagrams, and till the date we are good friends. And again, as he is living in Hyderabad, we are meeting now. So here is Aditya, my friend.
Hi guys.
Vendí mezco y fígado de mi panilla. Es para siempre te amo. Ahora que no se vadía.
So we met 6 months ago
Yeah, 4 to 6 months ago.
in Udaipur, and
Yeah.
now suddenly I was coming to Hyderabad and I messaged him like I am coming, and he's like let me take you to the places in Hyderabad, let me explore my city. So what do you want to say about that?
Yeah, let's explore. This is the start part of what we are going to explore. Yeah, let us see what can be done today. And he came, by the way, came to work. He has tomorrow. You need to meet now.
Yeah, I'll be going for
Related to
office tomorrow.
So
And
I don't have much hair. Don't look that good because I wanted Earth to look better. That's the reason why fortunately I
saved your head.
shaved my head so that he can look better in this video. So please subscribe if he uploads in YouTube.
Yeah.
Take care.
So this is the which lake is it?
Hussain Sagar.
Hussain Sagar Lake, and here there is
Civic sense zero civic sense.
you can see, you can expect it from the
बस
people.
कैमरा का आखिरी टाइम चल रहा है लगभग. See, you can expect sun which is same in Udaipur, but you got to.
But the ghats are not beautiful.
This is not ghat. This is just
Path.
Sasta ghat.
There seems to be some boating as well.
Yeah, boating between. This is you get to do boating, but the smell, the beautiful smell that comes out of it, you cannot take it in. So ignore the boating part.
Yeah. So eventually
But you get to see
Hyderabad-
the flag.
Yeah, there is an Indian flag
Yeah.
in the center. It's pretty huge, but I don't think you can see that big in
Because
the camera.
zoom is. What was the zoom? 2.5x or
1.4x.
1.4x.
GoPro just allows 1.4x zooming.
Bro, come bro here. Where is our bike? Come walk. Walk.
Where are you
bro.
going?
Walk. You get to do all uncertain things today. Walk beside me. Shoot that side. See. Welcome to
What is this?
Jurassic Park. Here, this is a place where Earth was young. When Earth was 16 years old, he used to bring ladies here.
Whatever. This is my actually first time in Hyderabad. So
Unexpectedly, he's not able to find any mate here. So he's here to search for a mate.
no,
so
that is a lie.
He can contribute towards something. See now.
We are going to some uncertain places.
You can find cobra as well. Don't go too far. When king cobra comes, and then you will go back.
Okay.
I need to suck and spit like in Indian movies.
Then let it bite.
See, you wanna go? Do some Panchamrut, Chamrut. You wanna do?
No.
If you drink 1 ml of that water, you can be forever alive. See, that's the theater, bro. That's the
Which one?
theater. See, that's the theater. I don't think they can see,
See.
but you can see, no?
That one,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the Prasad IMAX. Yes.
Oh, I see. I think it's
Bro,
converted.
short, bro.
I think I
You
should
don't
take
have
some
room
shots
anyway.
with my mobile.
Unfortunately, due to room issues.
So there is, I don't know if you can see, but far away there is Prasad IMAX, which eventually I think the IMAX certification has been cancelled. So
That
they
is-
created their own screen. What they call it PCX, right?
But IMAX is going to come. IMAX is thinking of building another IMAX in the Hyderabad, I think.
I see.
That-
There is another IMAX, I guess, so which has smaller screen in Hyderabad.
No, there is no IMAX, but they're planning to start a project on that.
I see. We also have IMAX in Ahmedabad, but the screens are, pretty
Small screen.
small.
It's okay.
So yeah, let's shoot some videos with my phone and click some good pictures. So we'll see you together in the next point. So next, where are you taking me after this point?
Hotel. Let's go hotel.
He is planning to drop me at hotel where I'm staying, so he doesn't
We are
look like in the mood to
we are going-
explore today.
We are going to go that side. I want to find my ex-girlfriend with some other guy, so we need to look that side of the road. She might be having some good time with him, so I want to catch her on the act. So we'll be
Oh.
going there to find her. Once we find her, we'll confront her. Then we'll go to some place and cry. I need to cry. I need to take tissue papers. Then once after cry is done, we'll come back to. We'll go to. Once evening comes, we'll go see some Parliament building now.
Which
you know
is
Garuda? from
there,
K-
right? Which
no,
is
that side.
okay.
Garuda. You know Garuda? KGF, who have seen KGF, there is
Yeah.
Garuda building is there only. We'll go.
What do you mean by Garuda building?
You know KGF picture नहीं देखा?
Yeah, I have seen that.
उसमें गरुड़ा नहीं रहता, villain name Garuda.
Right.
He
But,
has his own mahal na.
oh, that is the one. in
No,
Hyderabad.
that is not the one. But I'm just saying.
Oh, man. You are crazy, man.
Due to my B12 deficiency, I'm not able to recollect all the words. I'm not able to make more.
He is a good story maker like me.
Yeah, but not able to do it due to B12 severe deficiency.
So, yeah, see you later. Bye.
Yeah, see you later. We'll find her now. Hello friends. Hello friends. मैं फिसल के गिरा तो मीम मटेरियल बनेगा. ये तो ओरिजिनल है ये.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ. देखना है क्या? कैम. देखो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे ये. देखो क्या है ये.
This is the Parliament of Telangana, right? This looks like a whole palace. For me, this is the number one tourist attraction in Hyderabad, to be honest. With a photogenic mind. Surely. नहीं. You can skip. ये क्या होता है भाई? खोवा बम. मतलब that is a dish. That is the first important thing in the dish in Hyderabad. No. What I meant was that what is the kova bun? Yeah, kova bun. Kova bun. हाँ, that is. Oh, it's something like maska bun or something like that, or? It is like dalda
They promised me something else, but that is only dalda.
Oh, I
They give me some moment. I'm looking for my wife.
So after a long day, we went to like biryani for which
Bawarchi.
restaurant? Bawarchi.
Bawarchi.
We went to Bawarchi, so he took me to the most famous restaurant for veg biryani, as we are pure vegetarian, and it was really amazing. Like I would recommend to everyone to go there and have some fine grained biryani for veg lovers. I don't know about the non-veg types, but yeah, for veg it's one of the best. Then we went to Assembly, right? Also, we
Yeah.
also went to Assembly, the new Parliament House.
Then we went to some places that I like. I too don't know what the name is of the places. We went to Raidur Cheru and we went to IT Park and all.
Yeah, where all the biggest IT companies are located, and there is a food park and everything is there as well. So you can go there and enjoy the food. So it was overall a lovely day, and I really enjoyed my time with Aditya, and hopefully it's actually time to say goodbye, but I wish it could be a longer.
We'll come back and when I come to Gujarat, we'll meet again on the same channel.
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna like give him a long trip on that time.
Total
So-
Gujarat, we'll go all Gujarat places.
So yeah, waiting for that.
Yeah.
And it was amazing day. And it's hard to say goodbye, but it's time to say goodbye to my friend.
Bye. Take care,
Bye,
bro.
bro.
Take care.
Take
We'll
care.
meet again.
Bye.
I was not part of Udaipur vlog, na?
No, it wasn't vlog.
It was documentary, na?
It was
Chalo.
documentary.
Take care, guys. Bye.
So bye.
Subscribe.
Bye. This is the last day of my Hyderabad trip, and I am at one of the most prominent places of Hyderabad, which is known as Charminar. Let me show you around. So this is the OG Charminar. So if you come from the main city, like if you come from the main city, you have to come this way, and I think it is equal from each side, so the view will be similar. I'll now enter the venue, and I have already purchased an online ticket for this. It cost 20 rupees. So yeah, I'll just go in. I think I can go up there as well. So I'll show you the view from there.